In response to perceived threats, it is normal for our breathing rate and depth to increase. People who are prone to panic attacks and other anxiety disorders have a tendency to overbreathe. When we overbreathe, there is a decrease in the amount of carbon dioxide in the blood and an increase in the alkalinity of the blood. Although overbreathing results in more oxygen being taken in, the body adjusts to low carbon dioxide to restore your body's acid-base balance. For example, certain blood vessels constrict, and the hemoglobin in your blood does not release the oxygen it picks up as effectively. When stress is triggered in this state, symptoms of anxiety become even more pronounced. Due to the slight reduction of oxygen to the brain during hyperventilation, these symptoms may occur. Feelings of confusion, poor concentration, blurred vision, dizziness, feeling lightheaded, increased heart rate, cold, clammy hands, muscle stiffness, numbness and tingling, feeling hot, flushed and sweaty, tightness in the chest and chest pain. Mild hyperventilation can leave people in a state of chronic apprehension. Breathing at the correct rate lowers arousal, tension and stress. Slowing your breathing rate is an effective way to turn your fight-flight response off. It can be useful to determine whether or not your respiration rate at rest is within normal limits. Sit quietly and count the number of times you breathe in during a 60-second interval. At rest, your breathing rate should be between 10 and 14 breaths per minute. If your breathing rate was greater than 14, try to get your breathing rate down as slow as you comfortably can. If your breathing rate is about 20 breaths per minute, it may take a few weeks of practice to bring your breathing rate to within average limits. Also called the 6-second cycle, this basic breathing technique is used to slow the respiration rate. Breathe in through your nose and out slowly in a 6-second cycle. Breathe in for 3 seconds and out for 3 seconds. This will produce a breathing rate of 10 breaths per minute. Often, people who overbreathe take shallow breaths, almost as though they are panting. This exercise is to demonstrate how to breathe from your diaphragm. Place your hands flat upon your diaphragm area just below your chest. Move your hands so that your fingertips on one hand are just touching the fingertips on your other hand. Now start to take deep, slow breaths from your diaphragm. If you are breathing from your diaphragm, your fingertips will move slightly apart as you breathe in. Practice this until you are breathing slowly from your diaphragm, with your fingertips moving gently away from one another and back to touching each time you breathe in and out. This is the area you should be breathing from normally during the day. Start by becoming aware of the sensations at the tip of your nose. Try to breathe through your nose and start to become aware of your breathing. Try to slow your breathing down as much as you comfortably can. Deep, calm, and even breathing. When you breathe out, think the word relax. Take deep and calm and even breaths, slowing your breathing down as much as you comfortably can. Put some tension into your left hand and fist by clenching it. Notice what the tension feels like in your fingers, knuckles, and hand. Now very slowly start to open the fingers of your left hand and let the tension go. Notice the changes that happen. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow your left hand to become heavier and heavier, warmer and warmer, and more relaxed. Take deep and calm and even breaths, slowing your breathing down as much as you comfortably can. Start to focus your attention now on your right arm. Put some tension into your right arm by pressing it down into the side of the chair. Notice the tension in your forearm and upper arm. Notice what the tension feels like. Now notice as you start to let the tension go. Notice the changes. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow your right arm to become heavier and heavier, warmer and warmer, and more relaxed. Focusing again upon your breathing. Take deep and calm and even breaths, slowing your breathing down, and when you breathe out, think the word relax. Start to focus your attention now upon your left arm. Put some tension into your left arm by pressing it down onto the side of the chair. Notice the tension in your forearm and upper arm. Notice what the tension feels like. Now notice as you start to let the tension go. Notice the changes. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow the tension to drain away from your left arm and notice the sensations of relaxation. Now put some tension into your shoulders by shrugging them up towards your ears. Notice the tension in your shoulders and around your neck. Notice what the tension feels like. Now notice as you start to let the tension go. Feel the tension dissolving away. Allow your shoulders to drop. Feel them becoming heavier and heavier, warmer and warmer, and more relaxed. When you think that all of the tension has left your shoulders, deliberately let a little bit more go. Now focus again upon your breathing. Take deep and calm and even breaths, slowing your breathing down as much as you comfortably can. Now we'll start to focus upon the muscles in your face. Put some tension now into the muscles of your face by screwing your eyes shut, clenching your jaw, and pursing your lips. Feel the tension in your face. Now notice as you start to let it go. Feel your forehead smoothing out. Allow the muscles in your jaw to start relaxing. Feel the muscles of your cheeks relaxing. Let your lips relax. Let your tongue relax. Let your eyebrows smooth out. Feel all the muscles of your face becoming heavier and heavier and more relaxed. Now put some tension into the muscles of your neck by pushing your chin down towards your chest. Notice the feelings of tension. Notice where they are and what they feel like. Now notice as you slowly return your neck to its normal position. Notice the tension easing away, dissolving away, and notice the feelings of relaxation. This time we're going to put some tension into the chest by taking a deep breath and holding it for 5 seconds. Okay, take a deep breath in and hold it for 5, 4, 3. Notice the tension in your ribs and chest. 2, 1. Now as you exhale slowly, notice the tension leaving your chest. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. And now back to normal breathing. Deep and slow and even breathing. Thinking the word relax as you breathe out. Putting some tension into the muscles of your stomach now. Pull your stomach muscles in. Imagine that you are pulling your belly button in towards your spine, and notice the tension around your hips and pelvis. Now notice as you start to let the tension go. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow the tension to drain away from your stomach and notice the sensations of relaxation. Now put some tension into your thighs by clenching them tightly, or you can put tension into your thighs by slightly raising them off the chair. Notice what it feels like. And now notice as you start to let it go. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow your thighs to become heavier and heavier, warmer and warmer, and more relaxed. And now put some tension into your calves. You can either clench your calf muscles like big fists, or point your toes up to put tension into your calves. Notice what the tension feels like. And now notice as you start to let it go. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. Allow the muscles of your calves to become heavier and heavier, warmer and warmer, and more relaxed. And once again, start to pay attention to the sensations at the tip of your nose. Imagine you can see the air going in past your nostrils. Slow it down as it enters your nose. Deep, calm, and even breathing. Think the word relax as you breathe out. Putting some tension now into the muscles of your feet. Clench your toes in your shoes. Press your heels to the floor. Feel the tension. Focus on it. Now slowly let it go. Feel the tension leaving your feet. Notice sensations of relaxation. Okay, now just scan your body for any tension. Wherever you notice it, just focus on it and then let it go. Allow the sensations of relaxation to spread through your whole body. Allow your body to become even heavier, even warmer, and further relaxed. Now I'm going to count up to 10. When I get to 5, you can open your eyes and look around the room. When I get to 10, stretch if you want to, but continue to feel this heavy sense of relaxation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.